A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60°. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So I'll just draw the height of the kite. So this is the height. Let us consider this as the height, and this is the string that is attached to this kite. So for your understanding purpose, I can draw a kite here. So this is the kite. So this kite is at a height of 60 meter. So I'll just mention it as 60 meter. From this point to this point it is 60 meter, and it is attached with a string, and I'll just draw the ground for these two places. And the angle of elevation of this string that they have mentioned is 60°. Now we have to find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Slack in the sense, if we are flying a kite, there will be a zigzagness in the string. So we have to neglect this zigzagness and we have to consider it as a straight line or straight string. So just like what we have defined in the figure. So we need to name it as, I'll just rub this for understanding purpose. I will redraw the triangle. So let it be there. I'll just name it, or I'll just rub this one. Let us name it as A, B and C. We have to find AC, that is length of the string. Length of the string is equal to AC, and we know that we have opposite side 60 meter and an angle 60°. The one which connects this opposite side and hypotenuse is nothing but sine. So I'll write sine 60 in this case. Sine 60° is equal to AB divided by AC. So AB we know it as 60 meter, and AC is unknown, which we need to find. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And if you bring 2 and root 3 to the other end, AC to the right hand side, so AC will be equal to 60 into 2 divided by root 3. Which is nothing but, we can write it as 3 into 20 into 2 divided by root 3, which can also be written as root 3 into root 3 into 40. 20 into 2 is 40 divided by root 3. So one of the root 3 we can cancel, and we can write it as 40 root 3 meter is the length of the string in this case.